layout of this house was very carefully considered, but the character and flow between rooms did not match the daily patterns of the new owner. The homeowner's desire was to increase the physical and visual connection between the room and the outdoors. The main feature of the original design is a courtyard garden, which is especially visible from the living room. Careful reconsideration of the openings surrounding this space reframed it as a tranquil organizing element of the house, central not just to the living room, but also to the entry, the daily circulation paths, and the more informal spaces of the home. Single-pane windows were replaced and extended floor to ceiling. Upgraded insulation and high-efficiency radiant floor heat allowed the removal of ductwork and low ceilings, dramatically reducing the home's energy consumption. The new project is updated and more livable, but still respectful of the best elements of the original design.